कैटरीना, हमने फिल्म का गाना देखा धूम मचा ले। वाकई इस गाने को देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि वाकई सबके दिलों में धूम एकदम लगी हुई है। अगर हम देखें आपके रियल लाइफ की बात करें तो कैटरीना की लाइफ में किसने धूम लगाई है आपकी लाइफ में फिलहाल, मचाई है धूम?
मचाई है. Such a tough question. It's been so long since since my press conference, since I've seen all the media, and that's a tough question. I don't know. Right now, all my focus is on the film. It's been a long time, a long wait for the film to come out, for the film to release. So I think it kind of feels like the end of an extremely long, hard, and fulfilling journey. So today is the first song release. I think most of you have already seen the trailer, and the film is going to be out in about, I think, less than a month or just about a month. So it kind of seems like the end is coming of this extremely long and interesting journey that has been the process of making Dhoom 3.
Katrina, is there some secret that you want to share with the media since you're meeting after a long time? Is there one secret that you want to share with all of us?
Yeah, there is.
It is?
I really missed you guys. Some of you I don't know, but you, I missed you. You.
इसके पहले धूम दो जो सीरीज़ आ चुकी हैं धूम की, और उसमें भी टाइटल सॉन्ग था, ऐश्वर्या देओल ने किया, देन ऐश्वर्या ने किया, तो कहीं ना कहीं प्रेशर था आपके ऊपर कि ये बेस्ट हो या उनसे बेटर हो, बिकॉज लोगों ने देखा है, पसंद किया है, और ये थर्ड टाइम है.
I'm just trying to recall the title tracks because the title tracks, both of them. Yeah, I mean there is a responsibility. Only thing that I feel is that if you've seen the title track just now, so if you see it in this one, there is a lot of action shots as well. There's a lot of clips of the movie. It's kind of done in a very international format. It's done in a very international style where, you know, it's not just the song. It's a lot about the film. It's the clip. So I think in a way it's everyone's video. It's not just mine. So in that sense, I don't feel the responsibility is entirely on me. And also, you know, during the making of the songs, which you'll eventually see in the film, I don't, you know, maybe they'll show clips on TV soon. There was so much work which went into it. There was like, I mean, I don't think in my life, in my career, I will ever train or rehearse that much for the songs which are in the film. So when it came to this title track, I think it was a lot more just about having fun and the style and the styling and the presentation as opposed to specifically the dance. So I think that is still yet to come, and that's still yet to be seen in the upcoming songs which we'll release.
How was it romancing Aamir Khan on the screen, and how much would you give him out of 10? And my second question is, there's a song in which you put your legs straight on his shoulders. When we asked him, he said he was nervous and he doesn't know about you.
Okay, so
What was your feeling?
Let's start with the first part of the question. What was the first part of the question again? Just remind me.
Romancing with Aamir Khan, how did you feel like, you know, what was your experience? How much would you give him out of 10?
Okay, so start with that. I would give him 9 out of 10. I'll tell you why I'm not giving him 10 is because he's left me here today, and he obviously loves Sachin and cricket more than me, so 1 mark goes for that. But otherwise, I give him 9. In terms of acting with him, romancing with him, the thing which surprised me is the first day of shoot, I don't think we really had interacted much before. And he comes across as a kind of very, you know, a guy full of method, but he was actually very easy and very spontaneous, and he's very chilled out. So it was very comfortable with him. It was very easy. We had a lot of fun. There is one amazing romantic song in the film, and that's something I'm really looking forward to coming on TV. The second part of your question was?
There's a song in which you put your legs straight onto his shoulders.
Yeah, let me tell you about that.
He was nervous, he said.
Yeah, so Aamir's sitting on a chair, okay? Sitting on the chair doing absolutely no work at all, okay? And I'm dancing, which you'll see later in the film. I'm dancing, doing, you know, everything I possibly can to impress him. Now it comes time for the shot, and I'm, you know, as you said, there's a shot where I'm supposed to keep my leg on his shoulder. It's an acrobatic song. So I'm already nervous. It's Aamir Khan. I'm putting my leg on his shoulder. And I'm thinking, okay, how do I do this? Okay, so I have to practice it. So I'm thinking that when I practice, you know, as I'm coming to practice, to rehearse, he's going to say, yeah, don't worry, you know, go for it, no problem. You know, we're in this together. What does he do? He you know, just be careful because I have a shoulder injury, so don't put your leg too hard. So now I'm standing like this, ready to go, okay? And I'm like, just don't hurt my shoulder, okay? So Amir Khan is saying to me, don't hurt my shoulder. And I have to get my leg in the exact correct position. I'm like, no pressure at all. No, thank you. I appreciate that. So that's what that shot was like. See, he does love me. Just not as much as Sachin.
कैटरीना, हमने ये भी सुना है कि अगले साल आपकी और रणबीर की सगाई होने वाली है, कुछ ऐसी खबरें हैं?
1 second. Now that Amir has come, I will let him answer that question.
Sachin, da. यार तुम लोगों ने मैच देखा कि नहीं देखा? हाँ?
आपकी वजह से
नहीं,
नहीं
हम job
देखा।
नहीं, ठीक है। एक्चुअली पूरे करियर में सचिन ने धूम मचाया है और मुझे लगा कि ये गाना जिसके जो इसके बोल हैं धूम मचा ले, टोटली उसको सूट करते हैं और ये उसका आखिरी टेस्ट भी है। तो हम चाहते हैं कि वो धूम मचाएं। कल मैदान पे वो धूम मचाएंगे, यकीनन धूम मचाएंगे।
Well, I think for me, I got my really proper, cricket experience with the IPL. In the first few years, I was part of I went for all the matches of Bangalore. So I think from there, my interest started. But of course, I think, Sachin is the greatest player ever. The whole country loves him. He's an icon. The song definitely should be dedicated to him and for him. And Amir's completely forgiven for loving him more than me. It's okay. Are you okay with that? Are you okay with that?
I'm okay with anything to do with you.
Hi, Amir.
Anything to do my next film with you. Actually हम लोग कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं धूम 3 को प्रमोट करने के लिए। हमें उम्मीद है कि हमारे ट्रेलर्स और हमारे प्रोमोज लोगों को पसंद आएंगे। तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग ऑन एनी शो एक्चुअली। आई थिंक इस फिल्म के जो एडिटर हैं रितेश, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। डायरेक्टर बहुत ही काबिल हैं। अदी प्रोड्यूसर हैं इस फिल्म के। तो मैंने फिल्म ज़रूर देखी है और मैंने अपने सजेशंस भी दिए हैं जो लिए नहीं गए। लेकिन एडिटिंग में मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं था।
अच्छा, कैटरीना कह रही थी आमिर या कैटरीना जी कह रही थी कि जब वो शोल्डर पे पैर रखने जाती थी तो आप बोलते थे टेक केयर माय शोल्डर इज हर्ट।
You're not supposed to say these things to him. He wasn't here. That's why I said it.
देखिए, अब उस मोमेंट के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊं आपको। बड़े जज्बात मेरे अंदर घूम रहे थे उस वक्त। तो शोल्डर की मुझे इतनी परवाह नहीं थी।
आमिर, एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऐसा था जहां पे आपने कैटरीना के नाम से आपका दिल जोर से धड़क गया था। उस समय आपने धूम 3 शायद साइन की थी कि नहीं की थी? यहाँ पर
कहाँ?
कैटरीना के नाम से आपने जोर से अपने दिल को सब धड़का दिया और आपका दिल धड़क गया था।
कब?
एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जब
प्रेस
कैटरीना,
कॉन्फ्रेंस में, हाँ, जब उनका नाम आया था
ऐसे किया था एक्सप्रेशन।
सडनली ऐसा फीलिंग आया था। हाँ।
इस फिल्म में बुरा हाल हो गया होगा मुझे लगता है आपको।
नहीं, कैटरीना के साथ काम करके बड़ा ही मजा आया और it was really fab working with her. She's a very fun person to work with. I really enjoyed the process.
आमिर, कैटरीना ने आपको रोमांस में 10 में से 9 नंबर दिए हैं। आप कितने नंबर देंगे?
You have to tell him the reason for the
What
one.
is the reason?
For the one less.
क्योंकि आप सचिन को देखने गए थे और आप उनके लिए यहाँ पे लेट पहुंचे।
अच्छा, तो 1 नंबर कम हो गया इस वजह से।
आप कितने नंबर देंगे?
देखिए, मैंने कैटरीना का रोमांस देखा है, जो मेरे साथ नहीं है। मैंने कैटरीना का रोमांस देखा है जो मुझे लगता है उसमें तो 10 में से 10 मिलने चाहिए उनको।
सर, बट किसके साथ देखा है सर?
नहीं, वो सब मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ यार।
आमिर, या
हद हो गई है।
आमिर,
Hrithik made a statement that he is hoping Doom 3 will break Krish 3's record. What do you have to say?
एक्चुअली मैं रिकॉर्ड्स को नहीं देख रहा हूँ। हम बड़ी मेहनत करते हैं फिल्म के ऊपर और ये फिल्म ख़ास अजीज़ है मुझे, हम सबको। हम चाहते हैं कि लोगों को मज़ा आए। हम चाहते हैं कि लोग जब फिल्म देखें तो उनको बेहद मज़ा आए, उनको लगे कि यार एक कमाल की फिल्म देखी है। मैं नंबर्स में नहीं जाता हूँ।
Off late, are you open to kissing, Amir?
Off late? I
Yeah.
never had any objections, ma'am.
On screen?
I never had any objections to it.
नहीं, last I think
मैं आपको
we
यकीन
saw
दिलाता
it.
हूँ, मुझे कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है। I think I'm happy with the film. I think जो हम बनाने चले थे वो हम बना पाए हैं और जब मैं ये कहता हूँ तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। I think I'm happy with the film. When I heard the script, I loved it in its totality. I loved every character in the film. I thought Jay's role was very good. I thought Ali's role was very good. I thought Alia's role was very good. I thought everything was written really well. So for me, what I want is for people to really enjoy the film, and I'm hoping the film will move them, touch them, and take them on a journey which is very exciting.
Yeah, Amir.
So I'm not looking at it whether I will be remembered or not. I want the film to be remembered. I don't want me to be remembered. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.